Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the VFX Gallery. To access the VFX Gallery from our platform, go to your project's Workspace section and scroll down to the Libraries area. There, you'll find the gallery. From the web interface, you can preview all the assets published within your project and across your company. You can search by name or by tags, allowing you to quickly and efficiently locate any specific item. Each asset panel includes the option to either load the element directly into the Open Nuke session or copy its path from the top right corner. Before ingesting new assets, it's essential to check two key settings. In the top right corner of the interface, open the Settings window and define the root folder of your library. This folder must be located on a shared and accessible drive. If not, the ingestion process won't work properly. If you want to ingest assets from your local machine, it's also crucial to have Kraken running and logged in with the same user account used on the web platform. Kraken is responsible for locating the asset on your disk and generating the required previews for the system. From Kraken, you can also browse the gallery, preview items in more detail, and load them directly into Nuke, just like from the web interface. To ingest new assets from the web, click on New VFX, and the ingestion window will open. Here, you can choose whether the asset should be made available for the entire company or just for the current project. Company-wide assets will be accessible across all projects within the organization, while project-specific ones will only be available within that particular project. After selecting the scope, click on Import Media. If Kraken is open, a file browser will launch, allowing you to select the directory you'd like to scan. For example, if your directory contains two MP4 videos and an image sequence in a subfolder, the platform will automatically categorize these assets into separate sections like Videos and Sequence. You can check or uncheck the items you wish to ingest. Each element will display metadata such as frame duration, disk size, and its current path. It's highly recommended to customize each item's name, tags, and description. Doing so will greatly improve your ability to search and filter elements later in your workflow. If you're ingesting several clips with a shared theme, you can apply global tags from the top of the window, for instance, using Fire for a batch of fire-themed elements. Once you're ready, click Ingest, and the process will begin. You can track the status of each task directly within Kraken. When the ingestion tasks begin, you'll be able to track them in Kraken's task queue. Kraken handles both the preview generation and the upload to the platform. Once the conversions and upload process are complete, the tasks will be marked as finished. By refreshing the platform, the newly ingested elements will become visible in your library. Each video will be displayed with its thumbnail, such as a Firelo or Rex Chroma Key, and a reference frame. You can also copy their file paths to verify that they're correctly located within your library template structure. If you have a Nuke session open, you can load the asset directly into it. Doing so will create a new read node that automatically pulls the element from the library. This concludes our overview of how to manage and load assets from the VFX Gallery using Kraken and Nuke.